welcome to Mr. Giant Reacts Ting and Ting and Ting. I'm Mr. Giant, and today we're going to be checking out another dance from Romania, another folk dance. And this one is called the Perintina. And we believe there's several different pronunciations or spelling for it, as I see when I did a little research on it. And it comes from, it is prevalent in two regions. One starts with M, and I can't pronounce it, and the other one is Olenta, starts in O, and this is a very popular dance that's danced in weddings and you know the ceremonies and stuff like that. And I was told that I'm going to really enjoy this. There's a lot of rhythm, a lot of like intricate dance steps and stuff that's going to be in there. So stay tuned for that. Don't go anywhere. We're going to check out some traditional folk dance from Romania. Perinita. Perinita. Let's go. I like the outfits already. There we go with the steps now. That's just crazy, that noise they make. Oh, man. This is so cool. Oh, fancy, fancy. Okay, what do the women have now? Ooh, there seems to be a theme here. You know, the rhythm is kind of something that just speeds up at the end. But no, I tell you what though, this is so cool here. You know what I mean? People don't pay attention to other people's culture as much as they should because then you may understand them. For me, I tell you what this conjure up. It two things. It makes me think of castles, and it also makes me think of like just shepherds and stuff like that. Just ordinary village people dancing around a fire. But then it could combine the both of them outside a castle. The ordinary people are outside having, enjoying themselves, even though they might be struggling a little bit. They get together, they have dances and stuff. And I'm talking about the old times and stuff. Nowadays it's done in weddings and stuff like that and other ceremonies and all of that. But this is great, man. I like this. See, when people think of that region, they don't really think about stuff like this. I do because I delved into it a while back. And it's always you always see stuff in movies and all of that, and you see a little tidbits and show a little tidbit of it, but you don't really get to know it and thing. And doing this channel, everybody's coming in and they're telling me, well, check this out because somebody told me to check this out, and boom, there it is. I totally enjoyed it. Well, I hate to call it the costumes because it's traditional wear. You know what I'm saying? Like I wore dashikis and they said, nice costume. No, that's what we wear. You know what I mean? Maybe they don't wear this regularly because of modernization, but that's what they used to wear. It's not a costume. It's not, it's just not Halloween. This is what people used to wear back in the day there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, drop a like on the video, comment down below, let me know what's up. And the last video I did about a dance from Romania, which I will link up here, I got so many comments about it, and they told me about the region it's from and all of that stuff. And that one came from a song by Maria oh shoot, Tanasi, I think is. I hope I get that right. And that's where that stemmed from. So if there's somebody singing a song pertaining to this, drop it in the comment section. I would love to check it out. Okay. In the meantime, man, let's just share the stuff so everybody could see this. You understand what I mean? Y'all take care of each other. Let's try to bring some peace in this world.